Do you mind if I grab all the little glue? God bless you.
Well, hi everyone, Dolan here, and welcome to another video. Today we are joined with some pretty special people. We've got Ben, over here is Lucy. We've got the rest of the family around, and today we're going to be making some slime. I've never made slime before, so we're all going to be working together here at Kids Create. We like it here. Yes. And we're going to be making some stuff. So what are some of the ingredients that we're going to need today?
Lucy, what do we need? Glue. We need glue.
Glue, okay.
What else? Borax. Contact solution and what color? Blue.
Blue coloring, all right.
So we're going to be scientists. Are you ready? Come on up here. Lucy, you're going to pour all this glue in.
And how much glue is that?
We're going to do ratios. This is about ½ cup of glue.
Okay.
Okay, put it on in there. Now, we're going to scoop this out. Do you think we should eat this?
No.
Why?
Because
it's for me later. Don't touch my snack.
So now, Ben, what color are we going to do?
Blue.
Why blue?
Because it's cool.
It's cool? Okay, how many drops are you going to put in? Two. Okay, there we go.
Cool.
Now Lucy is going to mix this.
Stir it up.
Now, Ben, you're going to have to decide if this is the color glue you want. Is that good? Now comes the magic. Do you know what is in contact solution? No. Nor do I. And so that's why it's going to be in.
That's what makes it magic.
That's what makes it magic. So, you're going to stir, she's going to squirt. Don't squirt it at him.
How much contact solution?
Well, we're just going to add, it's about 2 tablespoons, but we're going to give it a squirt.
Okay.
And then we're going to stir. Okay, now watch. Does it look like slime yet? No? So we're going to add another squirt. Squirt's kind of a funny word, huh?
You're eating
this?
Oh yeah.
No, don't eat it.
Okay.
Fine. If you don't want me to, I won't.
And another squirt. Now, I'm going to gather all the glue together. And let's see if it's starting to change. All right. There we go.
Whoa.
We want to change it from a liquid to
Slime.
and is it a solid?
No.
Okay, look. It's starting to get thicker, isn't it? Okay, they're showing it. Say the magic word. Word. Because borax is a powder, I'm going to add some warm water. Okay, you're going to shake this. Ready? Shake it.
Shake it.
I'm going to put you up here. Shake it hard.
How you want to be in the video?
So we're going to dissolve this borax into the warm liquid. Shake it, shake it. Should we count? Should we count for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to count it in Spanish.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Should we add it? What is it still liquid? Okay, and we're trying to make it into slime. I think, note to people, recipes are important, but this is more fun, right? What do you see happening? Look at that! Oh, yay! Hey, do you mind if I grab all the little glue? God bless you. Can we get all
that.
Okay, speaking of snot, look what we have. Squeeze out all the liquid. Share with your sister. Well, so we tried 3 ingredients, and then we added 2 more. What was the thing that we added that made the biggest difference? Borax. So I think in the future,
Borax.
what did we learn? Follow a recipe. So, is that a solid or a liquid now?
Liquid stuff.
Ah, look at it.
Solid.
Solid. How do you know?
Because you can feel it.
So,
It's still kind of wet.
so how did we do?
think you did okay, yeah.
So we learned lots of lessons.
Yeah.
All right, so what are some things that you can do with slime though?
What can we do?
You can make stuff.
Can it bounce?
No.
I think we should try it. Bounce it. What's the bounceability?
It's actually pretty bouncy.
Oh, look. When we pull it apart, what happens? It breaks.
It pops.
What do you think? What does that look like?
A ball. A ball.
Are we going to eat this? No.
Shake him.
It's icky. So any advice that you have to slime lovers out there? I know some things. If you use clear glue, it's clear slime. If you add glitter, you're going to have glitter goo. Anything else? Okay. I think that's a wrap.
Cool. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. If you want to see more slime stuff, make sure to subscribe. Check out some of the awesome things that are going around in your community. Make some slime yourself. We've got the ingredients all listed up. And until next time, we'll see you later.